So you always have that little regular basic blues thing underneath too. Here's the other thing that goes really well with it, and that's going to be a great lick too. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking that 3rd fret of the low E right there, and I'm bending it right before it goes out of tune. So in other words, I'm bending it right before it goes to the next possible fret note. So I'm not bending it up to that note. It's right before that note. And right when it's going to sound really out of tune, then I'm going to that root an octave up, another E note. It's the same note, the 2nd fret on the D string. You can use your middle finger for it. You can use your index finger for it. I do both. The benefit of using your middle finger for it is that you've got that blues scale underneath it with those fingers. However, when it's your index finger, it's easier because you're doing this thing. And your middle finger on that low E string feels really good. So a great exercise is to go like this. So I'm hitting the E power chord, and then I'm hitting it again with that bend on the 3rd fret. So watch. So I'm going dun dun on that note. Now if it's my middle finger, then I can do it that way. So I'm going down the blues scale now. So something good to practice with that, if you don't have a huge vocabulary of the blues licks to play during that stuff, triple, 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 a really good thing to practice just for the muscle memory is the triplet blues scale. Triple,